Hello friends, welcome to another video from Programming Tutorials channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 4.31. The question is given. It is asking that you get a binary number from user, then print the equivalent decimal number of that binary. So let's start it. Now we must initialize some variables: integer, binary, bit, and decimal. Now give it some values. Bit is equals to 1 and decimal is equals to 0. Now enter a binary number. Now let's take it input. Binary equals to input dot next, and this is what the while loop. While binary is not equal to 0, and the loops start. The loop starts from here, so decimal is equals to decimal plus binary module 10 into bits. Now binary is equal to binary divide by 10, and bit is equals to bit into 2. So now let's take the output. Decimal is equals to plus decimal. So let's check the output. One zero zero zero. I think the output of this might be 32 or 16. Okay, 16. Now let's check how this program runs or works. First of all, we get a input. For example, the input is 101. Now the binary is not equal to 0 because we may have some binary number here. If it is not equal to 0, then the loop execute and we check that binary module 10. For example, 100 divided by 10, the module will be 1. So 1 into bit is 1. This becomes 1 equal to 1. So in the next step, binary divide by 10 is equal to 10. Now we have the value of bit equal to 1. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So now binary is equal to 10. It's not equal to 0, so the loop execute again. Now we have 1 stored here, so binary the value of binary is 10. 10 module 10 is 0. 0 into bit is equal to 2. 0 into 2 is equal to 0, and here the binary divide by 10 is equal to 1, and the bit is stored 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now the binary is not equal to 0, the loop execute again. Now we have 1 in the binary, 1 module 10 is equal to 1, 1 into bit is 4, 1 into 4 is equal to 4, and equal to 4. This 4 get plus with this previously stored 1, it comes 5. So and here the binary 1 divided by 10 is 0, this comes 0, and here bit is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Now it means that the decimal number of 101 is equal to 5. So let's check this input. Yes, 101, this comes 5. Yes, it's correct. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel to get my next videos. Thank you.